Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few viral hacks from 5-minute crafts to check if they are real or fake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Before starting the video, a lot of you ask me from where I buy all my products. तो आज मैं आपको एक अमेजिंग हैक बताऊंगी जहां से आप सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स बाय ही नहीं बल्कि हर बार अपनी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग या मोबाइल रिचार्ज पर काफी पैसे सेव भी कर सकते हो। For the first hack, I have gummy cola instead of gummy bears. Microwave it for only 30 seconds. This is how the melted cola looks. I have some colorful sprinklers. Using a spoon, I'm going to pour the melted gummy cola over it and cover it अच्छे से with the sprinklers. और आपको जो शेप देना है आप दे सकते हो। I'm trying to make the letter L, but while lifting the letter, it's just sticking to my fingers. So what I did is I let it cool down for a minute or two, and then you can easily shape it without creating any mess. So here I made a bunch of letters which actually say like, share, comment and subscribe to Hunger Plans. This is a great hack to make very pretty edible cake toppers which also taste amazing. For the next hack, I'm using the peel of an apple. Add it into the jar. Add about 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix it and make sure to use an airtight container or jar. Let's keep it aside for few days. This is how it looks after 4 days. You can see a lot of bubbles, which is very similar to their video. Let's strain it now. And clearly you can see the difference in the color. To show you the exact difference, here I have the organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, which is so much darker than what we made. Still, to be fair, I'm going to give it a taste. It is too sweet and nowhere near to what apple cider vinegar actually is. So for me, it is a big fail. Let's move on to the money saving hack which can never fail. Yes, I'm talking about this amazing app and website called Cash Karo, जो आपको हर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पर मैसिव कैशबैक्स और रिवॉर्ड्स देता है। वो भी सारा कमाया हुआ कैशबैक रियल कैश है। डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक से कैश करो पर अपना अकाउंट बनाओ। देन सिलेक्ट एनी वेबसाइट यू वांट, जैसे मैं यहाँ Amazon सिलेक्ट कर रही हूँ। फिर ऑरेंज बटन पर टैप करके विजिट रिटेलर पे टैप करो। इससे आप सीधा उस वेबसाइट पर पहुंच जाओगे। बस अब जैसे यूजुअली शॉप करते हो वैसे करो। पेमेंट करने के बाद आप कैश करो में माई अर्निंग सेक्शंस में अपना कैशबैक चेक कर सकते हो। जब कैशबैक कंफर्म होगा, आप उसे या तो सीधा बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करो या Amazon गिफ्ट वाउचर में। कैश करो से आप 1500 प्लस वेबसाइट्स पे शॉपिंग कर सकते हो। Isn't it an amazing money saving hack? I'm sure you will love it. Also, मेरी लिंक से साइन अप किया तो फर्स्ट परचेस पे ₹25 एक्स्ट्रा भी मिलेगा। For our next hack, I have a baking tray and this baking paper never stays in place. So using a spraying bottle, I'm going to spray some water on all the sides. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो काफी सारा पानी यहाँ जमा हो गया था Also, I guess if you bake something, it will stick to the paper because of the water. To check if this hack actually works, मैंने थोड़ा जुगाड़ करके छोटा सा केक बेक किया. अब let's see if it sticks or not. And surprisingly, it came off so easily. So yeah, this hack is undoubtedly a big hit. Here I'm taking approximately 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's give it a shape using a toothpick. To match the video, I'm shaping it like a 5, but you can give any shape you like. It's looking quite good now, but जैसे जैसे melt होता जा रहा है, it's losing its shape. ये 5 का कुछ अजीब ही बन गया है. Let's remove it and see. As I placed this on the plate, it broke into pieces. तो मैंने एक और बना दिया L shape का. So it doesn't come out that perfect and it is very delicate as well. So for me, it was a 50-50. Let's cut this watermelon. First, we'll cut it from all the 3 edges. Then cut it from the top. फिर एक साइड से ऐसे slant cut करेंगे और वैसे ही दूसरे साइड से भी slant cut करेंगे. And you can see how easily I have nice cubes of watermelon. So yeah, this hack was successful. According to the video, they used the whole skin of the watermelon, but if you look very closely, they peeled off the green part and then used the skin. Chop it into very small pieces and add it to the pan. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it. After 10 to 15 minutes, the water is completely dried. Let's take it out. On a baking tray, sprinkle some sugar. I'm using castor sugar. Add the skin. Spread it out evenly. Again sprinkle sugar over it. And I'm going to dehydrate it for 3 to 4 hours. So only in 1 hour it started smelling a bit weird and the skin has become very hard. Some pieces are a bit soft, so I'm going to taste that. It is very bitter and very weird. I don't know if I did something wrong, but this hack was totally busted for me. Today's shout out goes to Vishisht Gupta, Priyakshi Burgohin and Muskan Khan. Thank you for all the love. If you want to shout out in our video, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Don't forget to sign up now on Cash Karo using the link in the description box to get extra cash back on shopping. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.